In manufacturing, one misstep can cost millions, risk contracts, and erase your competitive edge. Procurement gaps hinder performance, driving costly, reactive chaos instead of fueling growth. The result? Lost revenue, eroded margins, and diminished customer trust. It doesn't have to be this way. With the right tools, you can turn complexity into clarity and lead your supply chain with confidence. Sustainment is the AI-native platform built for industrial supply chains, unifying sourcing, procurement, and supplier intelligence. Gain visibility over your entire supply chain with one clear view of all sourcing and procurement activities. Prevent disruptions and act decisively with superior supplier insights. Act decisively with AI-powered workflows that streamline approvals, quotes, and POs, helping you gain a competitive edge, improve quality, delivery, and realize measurable savings. Lead with confidence and drive strategic action amidst market volatility. Sustainment ensures stability, resilience, and lasting growth. Transform your industrial supply chain to state-of-the-art in weeks, not months. Reduce risk, lower costs, drive growth. Lead with insight, win with precision. Book your discovery call and shape the future of your supply chain with Sustainment.